Soft wash systems deliver high-performance, low-impact cleaning to effectively remove and kill mold, mildew, moss, lichens, and dirt from exterior surfaces without harsh scrubbing or high pressure. Soft wash uses low pressure and a solution of bleach, water, and North Star surfactant to safely remove and kill mildew, bacteria, algae, and other organic stains. It's commonly used to clean building exteriors, including roofs, siding, driveways, fences, patios, decks, and retaining walls. Soft washing is safer than pressure washing and requires significantly less physical effort. Unlike pressure washing, soft washing doesn't just wash off mildew and stains. It actually kills mold, algae, and mildew at its roots, delaying its reappearance and extending cleaning intervals. Pressure washing uses the impact force of high velocity, which can damage surfaces like roofs, siding, wooden decks, and fences. However, soft washing sprays at low pressure, allowing roofs to be cleaned without damage. In fact, the Asphalt Roofing Manufacturers Association recommends bleach for cleaning roofs. Pressure washers are only effective from about 8 inches to 18 inches from the cleaning surface. It can be slow to clean large areas. Ladders are required for anything above 6 feet, and resisting and controlling the force of high-pressure spray is fatiguing. Soft washing has an effective spray height of nearly 30 feet, allowing roofs and second-story eaves to be cleaned from the ground without a ladder. The soft wash system operates around 40 psi, reducing fatigue and eliminating the risk of property damage caused by high pressure. Because the chemical is doing the work, large areas can be covered quickly since the cleaning surface simply needs to be wetted. Plus, the soft wash system is battery powered, which reduces maintenance because it uses no gas or oil and runs virtually silent. We recommend cleaning in 10-foot to 20-foot sections. Spray the soft wash solution on the surface. Wait 10 minutes, but don't let the solution dry. Then rinse with fresh water from a garden hose. For roofs, our testing has shown that 1 gallon of bleach will cover approximately 100 square feet. For siding, 1 gallon of bleach will cover approximately 400 square feet. It's imperative that North Star Max Cling is used with the soft wash system. This specially formulated surfactant enhances the effectiveness of the soft wash solution by helping it to stick to the surface being cleaned, increasing contact time to maximize effectiveness. It also improves coverage by making the solution spread out evenly across the entire surface. Precautions should be taken when cleaning with any chemical, and instructions on the chemical's label should be followed at all times. In general, proper PPE should be worn, such as safety glasses, chemical-resistant gloves, and long sleeves. Vegetation around the cleaning site should be soaked with water from a garden hose before soft washing. After spraying, the vegetation should be rinsed again. Never spray undiluted bleach. Bleach solution should never be stronger than a 1-to-1 mix ratio, with at least 1 gallon of water per gallon of bleach. Failure to do so could result in unforeseen damage to vegetation or the cleaning surface. Always test soft wash solution in an inconspicuous area to confirm compatibility. It's important to note that over time, bleach will wear on the pump's diaphragm and seals. Proper rinsing after cleaning will greatly increase the life of the pump and all the sprayer components. There are 2 failure modes for the pump cartridge. One is a patented pending motor armor system that uses leak detecting technology to stop the pump motor and alert the user when the disposable pump cartridge has failed. The second is the flow performance decreases and the pump no longer delivers chemicals at a high rate. Both failure modes are quickly repaired by replacing the pump cartridge. Replacement takes about 5 minutes and returns the pump to its original factory performance level. One free replacement cartridge is included with the soft wash system. Add-ons include a battery, which is required to use the sprayer. A group size 24 battery is recommended for a contractor or someone who needs long run times, 8 or more hours before charging. Keep in mind that spraying chemicals is a small portion of the cleaning process, and far more time is spent rinsing. A group size U1 or a lawn and garden battery is sufficient for most homeowners, as it will spray for approximately 3 hours before it needs to be recharged. For spraying roofs, a 24-foot telescoping wand is available to increase the reach of the sprayer and improve the precision of delivering chemicals to distant surfaces. An adjustable height tripod balances the weight of the telescoping wand, drastically reducing the effort to use it. The large yoke at the top of the tripod allows the operator to sweep the spray swath back and forth across a roof. It also allows the operator to stand further away from the roof, improving visibility and the cleaning surface. For stubborn or embedded mold stains, a brush can be used to agitate the surface. A battery minder, SKU number 167981, plugs directly into the battery wire harness on the sprayer to charge and maintain the battery. Soft wash systems are a great choice for high-performance, low-impact cleaning of exterior surfaces without harsh scrubbing or high pressure.